We're gonna microwave a whole pack.
We need nothing here. No, no. You can't turn it on.
Sorry. Here. Let me do it.
We're gonna microwave a whole pack of gushers, guys.
Oh my gosh.
You know, those are gushers. Yeah, it smells like weird.
How long should we do this?
I don't know. 10 seconds, good? I have burned by a gusher. Oh my god.
I told you.
I didn't think you would do that. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's all like weird. I'm afraid it's gonna like electrocute me if I touch it. I don't.
You did it with this. Oh my god.
I wonder if I eat them if they'll like.
Don't eat those.
Oh my gosh, look at the inside. It's all like cracked.
It smells. That's ew. If I eat those, I'll get electrocuted. Just go throw it away.
Bye bye, gushers.
It's scary. Oh my gosh. I told you. Now I want to microwave more stuff. What should we microwave?
A piece of popcorn.
I was thinking that. That was scary as crap.
But I want to watch it.